Alright, y'all, I know it's dark, and I have it dark for a reason. I finished the kitchen counter with the lighting and everything, and I want y'all to check this out. Tell me what y'all think. So I'll give you a picture of it with the light on. And that's pretty much what it looks like now. With the backlighting, bam, and that is the backlighting. I think it came out very, very well. So I just got a few more things I need to do. Again, I got to put the backsplashes in for the back walls, and that'll be it. So I hope you guys like that, and I'll get back with you.